not. Now, when you look at small medium enterprises, they have a great importance in various economies where they are centered because they are the most important tributaries for the economic development, both in developed countries as well as underdeveloped countries and also developing countries such as ourselves, Uganda. Now, they accord a unique ability to increase capacity, productivity, creativity and also innovative capabilities in an economy, and their effective contribution to reducing unemployment rate as they significantly contribute to the gross domestic product that may exceed in some countries at the rate of 70%. Now, in addition to that, they constitute a base for industrial fabric of a country and the starting point of talents developing and training. Now, banks go a long way in playing a major role in keeping this particular sector alive. Now, to familiarize with this, I am joined by Mr. Allan Mwine, who's the head of business with Cairo Bank. Good morning to you, Mr. Mwine, and you're welcome to Morning at NTV.
Good morning, Priscilla, and good morning to our viewers.
Okay.
Yes.
So we want to first understand, we know that SMEs are the backbone of an economy.
Yes.
We have seen the beauty of having them here in the private sector for Uganda. They've gone a long way in aiding us from recovering from COVID-19 and its effects. But what are the challenges presently are faced by SMEs in acquiring, for example, services through the banks such as your bank?
Thank you, Priscilla, and to our viewers. We have SMEs in Uganda that face various challenges, but maybe to the viewers that SME, we are looking at micro, small and medium. Micro, you're looking at those ones who are employing less than 10 people, then medium to 50 people, sorry, small, and then medium up to 150 employees. They face different challenges currently, but I need to tackle this question generally and how the challenges different SMEs are facing currently in Uganda. One, most SMEs have a challenge of inadequate collateral, most especially when they come to access facilities from the bank. You find that most of them don't have securities. Others have unregistered securities, say for Bibanja purchase agreements. And this is a very big challenge in the banking sector, most especially when you don't have registered collateral. The other issue they are facing SMEs about management. You find that most SMEs, most especially these ones that are on grassroots, they have management issues. For example, Priscilla, you have a business, but it is a one-man show. When you're not there, the business cannot work. Yes? In case you go away, you go with the business. So you find that they have such issues regarding management. Then the other issue is about poor record keeping with most SMEs in Uganda. You find that someone is operating a business, but when you go on the ground, the way they keep track their business performance is not there. Like what are your sales, what are your purchases, what profits do you get at the end of the year, what are the expenses. You find that such businesses, because of poor record keeping, people also use the money from the business for different personal daily activities or survival. That you have a business, but your survival also based on what? On those particular businesses. Then the other one, the last one could be about inadequate capital. It's true that most SMEs face the issue of capital. You find that they have businesses, they want that to advance, but their capital is less. And that's why most of them go to commercial banks. And the last one is most of them can't access long-term financial needs, long-term periods. You see SMEs, they are small, but a big entities, they can access loans up to a period of more than 10 years and above. But SME, because they are involved in daily businesses, it's hard for them to access long-term facilities given the nature of their business.
Okay. Speaking of access, I know that Cairo Bank has set up a new initiative called Salama Account.
Yes.
And it's catering to two categories. Could you give us the features of Salama Account and what was the issue you were trying to address in the present day economics?
Okay, thank you, Priscilla, and to our viewers. Salama Account, as the bank, as any other business, as any other finance institution, we do have innovations. in and out, year in, year out, to make sure that we are focusing to the needs of our clients. So Salam account came in play because we have different types of accounts in the bank, savings and current accounts. But our clients, there was need for them to save without any other cost on that account. That's how we had to do research in the market, and we came up with the Salam account. Now on the issue of Salam account, it is already operating right now. When you have a Salam account with Cairo Bank, one, there are no monthly charges. There is no interest attached to this account. That is Salam account. But we have it in both individuals and for corporates. Now for individuals, the minimum amount open that account is 20,000 and then $20, because we have it both in USD and in shillings. Yeah, so the advantage is that when you open it, it is interest free, and it doesn't call for monthly charges. Then Salam Corporate, we are targeting institutions. Those are schools, churches, mosques, corporate entities, companies. Those are institutions. And someone might ask that, because some clients have been asking us, does it only, the name Salam, does it go to only Muslims? No, any other person can open up a Salam account. The way you save your money is the way you pick it. Assuming you opened your account, you came and banked, because remember there are no monthly charges. The way you have banked your money is the way you pick it. And most of our clients abroad, those ones who go to Abu Dhabi for Cheyo, they are using this account very well.
They can deposit their money and keep track of it.
You can be working abroad for the period of 1 year and they keep on sending your money on your account, but the way they send your salary is the same way you will find it intact. Assuming you have earned your 20 millions in a year, you will come and pick your 20 millions. That is Salam account, and that is how it operates.
Okay.
Yes.
What other advantages do come with Salam accounts, especially over your other products?
Salam account, we have internet banking as the bank. Priscilla banking has changed, that right now you can have your phone, your laptop in your office, you do transactions. You have internet banking with Cairo Bank.
Without having to go through the line.
The issue of going to the bank and lining, we are going away from that era. So you have free internet, free of charge. You can check your bank balances. You can transfer your money within Cairo Bank from one account to the other. That is free on Salam account. Then the other one, you can access the
That's from Cairo account to from Salam account to Cairo account.
To Cairo account.
Okay.
From your account even to my account, not specifically, because someone, you can be having several accounts in a bank, but you can transfer money from your account to someone's account free of charge. That is Salam account. Why? Because we want savers to enjoy.
So on the account,
yes.
The account that I'm transferring to, is it limited to being in Cairo Bank, or it can be an account in any other financial institution?
You can transfer into any other financial institution, and that's that one there is a charge, because you have a third party involved. But if the transfer is within Cairo Bank, it's free of charge. Then you can enjoy free monthly statements. We send you monthly statements on your email, on your phone, with your Salam account. Then you can access ATM, yes, on free of charge. But also you can access ATM through InterSwitch. We have InterSwitch where we have closed 15 banks where you go and transact, but because you're transacting with different banks, then there is a cost.
And that InterSwitch also usually comes with like 20,000 shillings, 15,000 shillings, which is a big loss.
It is a cost because you're using some other bank, but you can access your Salam account using InterSwitch, every part of the country where you are, using those around 15 banks who are on InterSwitch. And it will be at zero cost. No, because it is InterSwitch, because it is involving a third party, it can't. But the advantage is that you can access your account at any time. Then we are on shared platform as Cairo Bank, whereby you can go to different agents. You can bank money on every agent in this country. There are close to 20 banks who on shared platform. So you can go and bank money on your Salam account using the shared platform.
Well, we started by talking about the SMEs. So when it comes to loan convenience and accessibility, with Salam accounts, how does that work to make it easy for the business community and the corporate entities you're targeting? Okay,
thank you so much. This is a question that has been asked by clients on several occasions. If someone can access a loan using the Salam account, you can access a loan. But of course, as a bank, any financial institution, for you to access a loan, we save you. Okay, we have a criteria which you use to you free to access a loan. You can access a loan using the Salam account, but you enjoy all the other benefits of free transfers, the ones I talked about, of accessing monthly statements, all those ones. But of course, there are costs related to the what? To the loan. Okay. For example, you have mortgaged your property, you need to mortgage it, you need there are other costs related, okay? Perfection of security, legal fees, those ones, of course, they are there. But all the other advantages for the account, you keep enjoying them, however much you are servicing your loan. Okay. Yes. All right. So then begs the question, what are the requirements you ask of a client who wants to subscribe to Salam account? Yeah, for individual, you must be having a national ID if you're Ugandan. Then we have different forms whereby we know you, your location and the rest, but the biggest issue is about the national ID. Then for foreigners, you need a passport and a work permit, okay? Those ones who are working so that you're here in Uganda legally. Then if it is a corporate entity, for example, when it is a company, we need to look at the articles and memorandum, certificate of incorporation for a company. Then we must look at who are the directors, you disclose. Then you declare the different directors for that particular company to make sure that we are registering a legal entity. So those are different requirements that we require. Salam account, to our viewers, is not different from other accounts. The only unique features is that it is interest-free and there are no monthly charges. Okay. That is the beauty with that account. All right, Mr. Mwine, in your closing remarks, how is this going to aid the business community and boost it a little bit further? Why we brought Salam account is that we wanted the community not to avoid keeping money at home, because the way it has been on social media and the rest, you have been seeing people saying, I keep my money in the pot, I have a box at home, okay? Now, to avoid that, you come and deposit the money on your account, on the Salam account. That means your money is intact, the way you've brought it to the bank. So the issue of you keeping money at home when it is not safe, here you can keep your money. In case of any future calamity or any future occurrence that has come on, your money is safe, and maybe your family can come and access it. We have other different accounts, like the kids' account in the bank. We have accounts related to corporates, but this one we are targeting people not to keep money at home, or not to keep money somewhere with your brother or your sister, but when you're sure that your money is safe at any time you want, you can come and access that money. Okay, all right. How can people get more information about Salam account? Yeah, when you go to our website, you can, we have a customer care contacts, and you can have our customer care attendants attending to you. But lastly is that as Cairo Bank, we dedicate you a full-time relationship manager. Anything you want from the bank, it's just a call away relationship manager who can guide you through everything. Salam account, how to borrow, any other inquiry. So you no longer need to walk to the bank. Your relationship manager will look at you in totality and resolve all your issues. Thank you so much, Mr. Mwine, for bringing to us Salam account. And we trust that those of you that are into the business community, you can take advantage of this account to be able to enjoy every single penny on your money. This brings us to the end of Morning at NTV. Thank you so much for having been with us. Until we meet again tomorrow, on behalf of Chris Igeni and myself, Priscilla Regina Nalwoga, good day.